In the face of diverse market demands today, how does a factory manage multiple production lines to meet different needs? This is a challenge of efficiency and coordination. First comes precise planning. Managers formulate detailed production plans based on order requirements and product characteristics, and rationally allocate resources to ensure the efficient operation of each production line. Flexible dispatching is the key. The dispatcher monitors the production lines in real time, according to the urgency of orders and the operation status of equipment. The production sequence and rhythm are adjusted in a timely manner to ensure smooth production. Quality control cannot be relaxed. Quality inspectors strictly check the products of each production line, conducting layer by layer inspections from raw materials to finished products to ensure that the product quality meets the standards. Through scientific planning and strict quality inspection, the factory successfully manages multiple production lines to meet different needs and continuously delivers high-quality products to the market.